We are at Hannover Fair 2016, standing in the Volkswagen booth with our wonderful partners, Volkswagen. Professor Schreiber, I understand we have a robot here behind us. What is this robot doing, and what does it mean for manufacturing at Volkswagen?
At first I have to say we have a KUKA robot behind us, and he's working on, for example, a powertrain. This is the example what we show here. But the most important thing is that the robot is working together with a human being, with our worker, in the same spot, in the same space. So we really do not need any safety fence or any distance between those two, let's say, protagonists. This is very important for us because we want for the future that robots and human beings are working together, that the robot is the assistant for the human being, for our worker, and help him to produce the cars more efficiently.
For the worker, it relieves them of having to pick up heavy things, twist them around, put them into place. So the robot then takes up the heavy tasks, correct?
That's correct. We combine here the real good advantages of the robot, which means the force, the reliability, and the accuracy, and combine it with the advantages of the human being. And the human being is doing the fine, the accurate, the adjusting job.
So the things that humans are really good at, they're left to do, and the things that sometimes can hurt humans or are boring, the robot's left to do, correct?
That's the correct way to do it.
So, I mean, the thing is driving around here behind us right now, and it's pretty cool that we don't have to worry about that. If you look in a modern factory, there's robots in cages. In fact, if anybody out there has been in a car factory, they'll see immediately there's thousands of robots all in cages. And so really, for the audience that may not know, this is a paradigm shift from going from caged robots to robots that are free to work right next to humans. In the Volkswagen factory of the future, is this what you imagine we'll see more and more of?
We want to have robots working together with the human being, with the worker, instead of separating them. It would decrease the necessary amount of space, for example, because both can work together in one spot, in one tag. So it's also easier for the worker just to supervise what the robot is doing. So this is another advantage, and this is our vision for the future. And this is the first step into a future where we have a very close cooperation between robot and human being, or cooperation, collaboration would be, I think, the better word.
It's really, really interesting to hear you talk about it. You know, we've heard about all this stuff for a long time now, and it seems to really be coming to fruition now. And the Volkswagen Factory of the Future certainly sounds like a great place to go and see what the smart factory of the future will look like. Thank you very much, Professor Schreiber, from Hannover Messe 2016. We'll see you guys later.
Orange Intelligenz.